Hello friends, let's have the discuss of NTA mock test. ये TPC ये नीट 2021 वाला क्वेश्चन ये TPC बात करते हैं यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट की। हालांकि क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आप लोगों को रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, प्लीज़ जिन लोगों ने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है वो लोग चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। आप लोग लाइक नहीं करते प्लीज़ लाइक किया करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि और लोगों को भी इसका बेनिफिट हो सके। तो यहाँ पर कुछ बात करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट की। The apoplastic movements of water occurs exclusively through the cell wall without crossing any membranes. This is correct। हालांकि यहाँ करेक्ट चूज करना है। फिर क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, solute present in a cell or in any solutions increases the free energy of water or water potential. No, this same plastic movement occurs फ्रॉम सेल टू सेल थ्रू द प्लाज्मोडेस्माटा। अगर यहाँ पर एनिमल सेल की अगर बात करते हैं या प्लांट सेल की बात कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पर अगर एनिमल सेल की बात करते हैं तो वहाँ पर डेस्मोसोम होता प्लाज्मोडेस्माटा के स्थान पर। फिर मेम्ब्रेन परमिएबिलिटी डिपेंड्स ऑन द मेम्ब्रेन कंपोजिशंस एज वेल एज केमिकल्स नेचर ऑफ सॉल्यूट्स। नो दिस इज़ नॉट करेक्ट, यानी कि यहाँ पर नहीं, दिस इज़ करेक्ट। यहाँ पर फर्स्ट और थर्ड एंड फोर्थ आर करेक्ट बट सेकेंड इज़ नॉट करेक्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, नेशनल हर्बेरियम कंटेन्स प्लांट ऑफ वर्ल्ड। यहाँ पर क्यू नेशनल बोटेनिकल गार्डन जो कि लंदन में है, लंदन इंग्लैंड, तो उसमें लगभग 60 लाख प्लांट स्पेसिमेंस हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, which of the following is incorrect statement? The term chemical knife is used for the restrictions endonuclease. This is correct, but in the case of eco R1, R represents the genus of the prokaryotes from which the enzyme is obtained. No, this is not correct. The linking of antibiotic resistance gene with the plasmid vector became possible with the help of enzyme ligase. This is correct. Option D, the substrate of restrictions enzyme is double stranded DNA. This is correct. क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, हालांकि ये जो फार्मूला दिया है ये सीधे एनसीईआरटी से दिया है, ह्यूमन हेल्थ एंड डिजीज़ 12th क्लास में दिया हुआ है, और ये स्ट्रक्चर्स ऑफ कैनाबिनॉइड्स को रिप्रेजेंट करता है। कैनाबिनॉइड्स से ऑब्टेन्ड होने वाले केमिकल्स जो होते हैं वो मैरिजुआना, हशीश, चरस, गांजा, यानी कि ऑल ऑफ दीज आर करेक्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, ऑल द ऑटोसोमल रिसेसिव डिसऑर्डर एक्सेप्ट सिस्टिक फाइब्रोसिस, थैलासेमिया, फिनाइलकीटोनुरिया ये ऑटोसोमल रिसेसिव डिसऑर्डर हैं, बट हीमोफीलिया इज अ नॉट ऑटोसोमल recessive disorder. Question number 6. The building blocks for a new DNA molecules are deoxyribonucleoside triphosphate. Question number 7. यहाँ पर सिंगल सेल प्रोटीन्स की अगर बात करें, सिंगल सेल प्रोटीन्स में आते हैं क्लोरेला, स्पाइरुलिना, मिथाइलोफिस और मिथाइलोट्राइकस और मशरूम। Question number 8. Mycorrhiza does not help the host plant. Okay, does not increasing its resistance to insect. No. Enhance its phosphorus uptake capacity, increasing its tolerance to drought, enhancing its resistance to root pathogens. Question number 9. Which of the following is an example for link species? Lopis. Question number 10. Illegal and unlawful development of biomaterials without payment to concerned authorized authorities or organizations is called biopiracy. Question number 11. In the human-induced process called acid precipitation, the main biogeochemical cycles that are altered are the nitrogen and sulfur cycles, and one affected in lake is to decrease populations of nitrifying bacteria. Question number 12. Erinotoke is parthenogenetic development found in honeybees, वास्प एंड एंड्स। एरिनोटॉकी बोलते हैं जब हैप्लॉइड सेल्स पार्थिनोजेनेसिस करती है तो उसको बोलते हैं एरिनोटॉकी। Question number 13. Which of the contraceptive methods correctly matched with its mode of new actions? ओके, ओरल पिल्स कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव पिल्स है मेथड। उसके बाद जब मोड ऑफ एक्शंस की बात करते हैं, इनहिबिट्स ओवुलेशन एंड इम्प्लांटेशंस को करता है इनहिबिट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. Statements given below describe certain features that are observed in the pistil of flowers. Okay, pistil may have many carpels. फिर second, each carpel may have more than one ovules. Question number 15. Which of the following ecological pyramids may be upright or inverted? Pyramid of energy always upright, but pyramid of numbers, pyramid of biomass inverted or may not upright or are inverted. May be inverted or are may be upright. Question number 16. Species area relationship is represented by equations log s बराबर log c plus log z a. In this equations regression coefficient is represented by z. Question number 17. The primary female sex organs included ovaries. Question number 18. Unifacial leaves are found in allium. Question number 19. The number of kingdoms in 5 kingdom classifications with only chemoautotrophic mode of nutrition is by R1. Question number 20. Formations of insoluble mass of crystallized salts in the kidney is renal calculi. हालांकि जो रेनल कैलकुली को पथरी बोलते हैं, जो कि कैल्शियम ऑक्सलेट के डिपोजिशंस के कारण होता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. An osteon contains one Haversian canals and one Haversian lamella. Question number 22. The aerial short and branched roots of an autotrophic plants that provide stability are known as clinging roots. Question number 23. A gland cell and an epithelial cell perform different functions because different genes of each of these cells are active while others are not. Question number 24. A condition in which heart is not pumping the blood effectively to meet the requirements of the body is heart failure. Question number 25. In Phaeophysi, thylakoids are found in groups of 3 primates. Question number 26. Plant hormones are usually aromatic compounds. Question number 27. The structural and functional unit of living organisms was discovered for the first time by Robert Hooke. Question number 28. Which one is wrong about photorespirations? Wrong. It occurs in chloroplast. Correct. It occurs in daytime only. This is correct. Photorespiration के लिए. 8 characteristics of C4 plants. No, C3 plants. Question number 29. Which of the following helps to maintain species diversity in a humanity predators? Question number 30. A plant cell absorbs salt in ionic forms. Question number 31. Which of the following muscles contract during inspirations? Diaphragm and external intercostal muscles. Question number 32. A phosphoglyceride is always made up of a saturated or unsaturated fatty acid esterified to a glycerol molecule to which a phosphate group is also attached. Question number 33. Type of meiosis just before gamete formation, that is gametogenesis, is terminal. Question number 34. If The inner surface of the ileum in the human small intestine was smooth rather than being folded and subdivided into villi. Which of the following statements would be true? Okay. Human would have needed to evolve a much longer small intestine to absorb sufficient nutrients from their food. Question 35. Which of the following is an extinct arthropods and is considered an ancestor of present day arthropods? ट्राइलोबाइट है. Question of 36. In our nerve cells, potassium concentrations is less one outer side. Question 37. Gonadotropin releasing hormones is produced by hypothalamus. Question number 38. How many molecules of ATPs are formed from one acyl coenzyme A through Krebs cycle? 12. Question number 39. Which of the following are correct? The stomach stores food for 4 to 5 hours. Okay, correct. Oxyntic cells present in gastric gland? No. Peptic cells or release of HCl. HCl provides the acidic pH 1.8 optimum for pepsins. Correct. Small amounts of amylases are also secreted by the gastric gland. No. हालांकि ऑक्जेंटिक cells also called as parietal cells or peptic cells or are chief cells. Secrete pepsinogens enzymes. Question of 40. How many genotypes are represented? Only one in Mendelian dihybrid F2 generations. हालांकि यहाँ से लगभग एक क्वेश्चन फ्रेम होता ही है, लगभग हर बार एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है. F2 generations for 4. Question of 41. Which of the following is correct order of the evolutionary history of man? Peking man, Heidelberg man, Neanderthal man, Cro-Magnon man. Question of 42. In the international treaty to control ozone depletion is Montreal Protocol. This is most important question. Question of 43. Which of the following are viral and mosquito-borne disease? Yellow fever and dengue. This is caused by vector Aedes aegypti. Question of 44. The phenomena wherein the ovary develops into a fruit without fertilizations called parthenocarpy. Question of 45. Why cannot a human woman get pregnant again during pregnancy? Cannot. Okay. High level of estrogens and progesterone secreted by the corpus luteum or placenta during pregnancy inhibit the secretions of gonadotropins and prevent ovulations. Question of 46. Aristotle divided animals into two groups on the basis of the presence or absence of RBC. Question of 47. Which is the most common examples of stem tuber modifications? Potato. Question of 48. Define the pattern of ecological succession, directional and predictable. Question of 49. Determine average size of cockroaches and periplaneta in centimeters. Okay, 0.6 to 0.7 centimeter long and 3.4 to 5.3 centimeter width. एंड यहाँ पे दिया है 0.6 to 7 साइज रेंजेस की बात करें 0.6 to 7.6 सेंटीमीटर एंड हैज़ लॉन्ग एंटेनी legs. Question of 50. The correct statement from the following: leaves of conifers are perennial. Correct. Question of 51. What is the process of copying of genetic informations from RNA DNA से RNA का बनना? Transcription. Question of 52. What is the reasons of evergreen trees being remained green throughout the year? Leaves falling in small numbers at intervals. Question of 53. Which of the following gene combination is suitable for experiment on linkage? Okay, capital A, capital A, capital B into small a, small a, small b, small b. Question of 54. Identify the wrong statement among the following with respect to population. Okay, फिर option A. A populations at any given time to composed of individuals of same age, not for same age. फिर populations has birth rates and death rates. Okay. Question 55. State the locations and regions for the greatest number of endemic species. Large oceanic islands such as Australia because the inhabitants have been isolated from mainland populations for a very long time. Question of 56. Which of the following plants in our country contains the toxins producing genes of Bacillus thuringiensis cotton? Question of 57. The apoplastic movements of water occurs exclusively through intercellular spaces and walls of the cell. Okay, फिर the symplastic system is the interconnected protoplast. Question of 58. What is product produced by microbial activity of biogas which can be used as fuel? Methane. क्वेश्चन ऑफ 59. जो यहाँ पर ए रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है एक्शन स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ क्लोरोफिल, ए को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. जो बी दिया है बी इज रिप्रेजेंट ऑफ एब्जॉर्प्शन स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ क्लोरोफिल बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 60. स्टेट द रीजंस फॉर जर्मिनेशन ऑफ pollen grain on stigma in vitro only at 10 to 200 part per million of boric acid. Okay. Pollen wall is boron deficient and high level of boron occurs in the style and stigma. Question was 61. State the difference between tracheids and other tracheary elements being imperforate. Question was 62. What is the end product of anaerobic respirations in plants? Ethyl alcohol. Question was 63. Define artificial inseminations. Artificial introductions of sperms of a healthy donor into the vagina. Question of 64. Which part of the flowers of Fabaceae will immediately enclose the essential organ anterior petals? Question number 65. Which element is necessary for the conversions of prothrombin into thrombin? Calcium ion. Question number 66. What are the elements present in an aquatic ecosystem? Biotic and abiotic factors. Question number 67. State the difference between virus and viroids. वायरस एंड विरॉइड्स में अगर बेस्ट ऑप्शन देखें तो जो वायरस होते हैं उनमें प्रोटीन कोड विरॉइड में एब्सेंट होता है बट वायरस में प्रेजेंट होता है. हालांकि नीट 2020 में भी इस पे क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था. Question was 68. What is the phenotypic ratio obtained in quantitative inheritance of a dihybrid cross? 1:4:6:4:1. Question number 69. What is the main characteristics of diabetes mellitus? Loss of glucose from the cell. Question number 70. Identify the correct statements with respect to enzyme. Holo enzyme equal to apoenzyme plus coenzyme. Question number 71. Name the organ where gametogenesis in animals occurs. Gonads. Question number 72. State the reasons for mechanisms of genetic continuity in mitosis. Duplications of DNA. Question number 73. What is excretions product of land reptiles like lizards and snakes? Uric acid. Question number 74. Which actions to be inhibited to develop a vaccine against AIDS? वायरल आरएनए को रेट्रोवायरस. ओके, फिर ए, फिर बी, उसके बाद ओ ओ ओके. स्टेप ए जो है बाय एंजाइम एंटागोनिस्टिक टू रिवर्स ट्रांसक्रिप्टेज को शो करता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 75. आइडेंटिफाई द करेक्ट सीक्वेंस ऑफ प्लांट्स with respect to characters given below. Ovules born along the ventral sutures of unilocular ovary. Abrus. हालांकि एनसीईआरटी में एब्रस दिया नहीं है. फिर ओव्यूल्स डेवलप all around the inner surface of the septa in a multilocular ovary. This is correct. This is representative of nymphia. फिर ovules born on the inner walls of ovary or on intrusions of the wall that form incomplete partitions of false septa within the ovary. Brassica. Question number 76. What is nature of associations areas of cerebral cortex? Neither clearly sensory nor motor. Question number 77. Calculate the cardiac output of a person's living 72 heartbeats पर मिनट एंड स्ट्रोक वॉल्यूम्स ऑफ 50 मिलीलीटर. इसको अगर मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं तो 3600 मिलीलीटर आ जाएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 78. विच ऑर्गन डज secretin. ओके, secretin एक्ट्स ऑन पैंक्रियाज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 79. नेम द प्रोसेस बाय विच लार्ज मॉलिक्यूल्स मूव आउट ऑफ द सेल. रिवर्स फाइगोसाइटोसिस. Question number 80. In which symmetry the response to external stimulus is quicker and more precise? Bilateral. Question number 81. What can be detected using iodine test? Carbohydrates. Question number 82. Statement first. यानी कि the concept of survival of the fittest is central to natural selection. उसके बाद रीजन की बात करते हैं. Because individuals who possess advantageous characters to adapt to the environment have better potential for survival. This is correct. यानी कि जो स्टेट असर्शंस यानी कि असर्शन और उसका रीज़न बिल्कुल करेक्ट एक्सप्लेन करता है. दोनों सही है, उसको करेक्ट एक्सप्लेन भी करता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 83. व्हाट इज कॉल्ड द स्टडी ऑफ रिलेशनशिप ऑफ लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स विद the abiotic and biotic components of their environment. इकोलॉजी को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 84. हैप्लॉन्टिक लाइफ साइकिल जनरली अकर्स इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स? मोस्ट एल्गी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 85. among the following which is defined as individuals with a karyotype of 45 chromosome to 44 autosomes and one sex chromosomes have been found to be suffering from the abnormality for Turner syndrome. बाकी समय 47 क्रोमोसोम देखने को मिलते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 86. Which of the following plants, a compound leaf appears as simple leaf due to separations of one or two leaflets. Citrus. Question number 87. All eukaryotic unicellular organisms belong to which kingdom? Protista. Question number 88. Identify incorrect statements. Insulin can be orally administered. No, because ये digest हो जाएगी. Insulin has two polypeptides attached to each other by disulfide bonds. Correct. In our body, insulin is released as a prohormone with a additional C peptide. फिर the first genetically engineered insulin was produced by an American company, Eli Lilly. Correct. Question number 89. In what way does otolith organ help us equilibrium? Question number 90. State the number of amino acid produced by the given mRNA sequence when the 16th base basically 4 is substituted by uracil. Okay, RNA की बात करते हैं. इस प्रकार से आपके 90 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट होते हैं. आई होप आप लोगों को यह वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और ज़्यादा से लाइक करें और शेयर करें. थैंक्स वॉच फॉर दिस वीडियो और मिलते हैं आप नए अगले वीडियो में.